If you're over 60, you know the feeling. Waking up with gritty, tired eyes or struggling to focus on the morning paper. The world seems a little less sharp than it used to be. But what if the key to clearer sight was a delicious habit you could start tonight? Stick with me because I'm about to reveal the 4 specific dried fruits that can nourish your vision overnight. Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. Today, you'll learn exactly what to eat before bed to support your eye repair, combat dryness, and wake up to a brighter world. No pills, no complex routines, just nature's candy, working in harmony with your body's own nightly renewal process. If you value your independence and want to see life more vividly, you're in the right place. Why eyes need night support. Let's talk about why our eyes need extra care as we get older. Decades of light exposure, screen glare, and daily wear take a toll on the delicate structures of your eyes. This can lead to that frustrating blurriness, dryness, and difficulty with night vision. But your body is designed to fix itself during sleep. That's the prime time for cellular repair and recovery. The critical question is, are you giving your eyes the right building blocks for that repair? The answer lies in powerful nutrients, concentrated in a few special dried fruits. These fruits are bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that directly target eye health, fight inflammation, and maintain crucial moisture. But which ones are the very best for seniors? Here are the top 4 to eat in the evening for optimal eye support. First, dried apricots. They are incredibly rich in vitamin A nutrient vital for clear vision, particularly in low light. It helps shield the cornea and prevents that sandy, dry feeling. Enjoy 3 or 4 pieces about half an hour before bed. Try chopping them into a little plain yogurt. Second, dried goji berries. Think of these as tiny antioxidant guardians. They are loaded with zeaxanthin and lutein, compounds that act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful light waves. This protection is key for defending against long-term, age-related eye concerns. A small tablespoonful is perfect. Eat them alone or let them steep in a calming cup of tea. Third, dried fig. This fruit is a champion for circulation, packed with minerals like potassium and magnesium that promote healthy blood flow. Why does that matter? Excellent circulation delivers oxygen and reparative nutrients directly to your eye tissues all night long. 2 or 3 figs make a great sweet treat. Pair them with a couple of walnuts for added healthy fats. Fourth, raisins. These little gems are full of polyphenols, plant-based fighters that reduce inflammation and protect the fragile capillaries in your eyes. They also offer iron, which helps ward off eye strain and fatigue. A small handful of unsweetened raisins is ideal. Mix them into oatmeal or enjoy them with a few almonds. Your night routine. Now for your success, follow these simple nightly rules. Keep your portions modest, a small handful is plenty. Always choose unsweetened varieties without additives. Drink a glass of water with your snack to aid hydration. And consider pairing with a bit of protein or fat, like nuts, to stabilize your blood sugar and enhance nutrient absorption through the night. You might wonder, why is timing this snack to bedtime so effective? Because you're directly fueling your body's repair shift. By providing these nutrients right before sleep, you set the stage for overnight vision restoration. Conclusion. Ignoring this simple nutritional support could mean your vision gradually loses its edge. But by adding this one tiny, tasty ritual, you actively support your eye health, safeguard your ability to live independently, and greet each new day with clearer, more comfortable sight. If this natural approach to healthier vision makes sense to you, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Healthy Lifestyle for more life-changing tips.